I recently reported that IBM is replacing thousands of workers in one of its groups with artificial intelligence. I speculated that human resources departments might be the next to go. Well, it didn't take too long. Meercor, a Silicon Valley startup, just raised $100 million for an AI-powered resume screening and candidate matching platform that also conducts interviews and manages payroll. Who wins and who loses is up in the air. IBM is using AI in its finance and operations group, which is considered a cost center. That makes its employees vulnerable. The company anticipates that attrition, along with using recent graduates or outside contractors to fill any necessary roles, will save money. They plan to switch resources to revenue-generating divisions such as consulting and AI development. Along the same lines, Mercer's technology aims to replace entire HR departments in enterprise-scale businesses. The startup, founded by three 21-year-old Teal Fellows, claims that their automated system not only streamlines hiring, but also eliminates bias. Even OpenAI, which is using this software, claims it can find better human candidates than other humans can. Let's take a closer look. This is a resume-based hiring system. Sure, resume screeners are useful for professional roles like finance, law, or consulting, or for specialized technical jobs like software developers. Leave it to the techies to come up with a solution that works well for techies. However, there are obvious limitations to evaluating potential hires based on a resume. Even pre-screening based solely on resumes for senior level executives or creative positions is HR malpractice. Creative roles are best judged by portfolios. A resume cannot capture the leadership style, strategic thinking, or cultural fit of a senior level position. What will a resume tell you about the people skills of a customer service candidate? Absolutely nothing. Will a candidate interviewed by a chatbot have warm feelings towards their new company? This lack of human engagement can damage corporate culture. AI is great at handling repetitive tasks like filtering resumes in mass hiring situations. Humans are better at the strategic, ethical, and interpersonal aspects. Similarly, workers are justified in fearing that they'll lose their job to a faster, more efficient AI system. A hybrid plan might be a fallback position for a company, while workers might want a plan B, like looking for a profitable AI-powered side hustle.
And that's today's bite-sized tech tip.